All right, so we're going to remove the mirror glass from this E30. It's actually pretty easy. There's a first thing you got to do is kind of level the. Push this out. First thing you do is close the door. You can push this out, and what I want to do is I want to level the glass in the housing, because underneath I'm going to put my screwdriver. Little hole. And in there, I'll see my screwdriver pop out. And there's a little, I'll show you when I get this off. To kind of break it free. Here we go. So see this, the screwdriver is going to catch it and rotate it. And when you rotate it, it unlocks it from this. Then I'm going to pull off the wires. Okay. Put the old one aside. And the difference between the two is this one is aspherical. It has the long side of the glass on that side. Plug in the leads. These wires are for heating the glass, so they defrost. The next part's a little tricky because I don't have that slip mechanism, but these teeth grab onto these pieces there and they clip on. But the key is that should be it. And of course you got fingerprints all over it. That's it. Next you clean the glass.